In this video, I will show how to crop images into shape in Canva. So firstly, click on these elements, search here frames, select your required frame. Here you will find a variety of frames. Now upload or search picture here. Now drag and drop your picture like this. Click anyway and double click on picture. You can change the size. Just drag and drop. So you can convert your picture into any shape. So firstly, you have to find out frames. In elements and search a frame like a shape. And drag and drop your picture. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.